Today, we're diving into the top 5 best key programming tools that every car enthusiast and professional locksmith should know about. These tools make key programming quick and efficient, ensuring you have reliable access to your vehicle at all times. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button and join us for more gadget reviews. Now, let's get started. Product number 1. The AutoFix IMMO is a professional car key FOB programming and diagnostic tool designed for all systems. It features a 7-inch LCD screen with 1280 by 800 resolution, runs on Android 9.0, and includes 2 GB RAM, 64 GB storage, and a 5800 mAh battery. This tool supports key FOB programming, along with ABS, DPF, SAS, SRS, TPMS diagnostics, and more. It comes with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and 2 years of free updates. Product review. The AutoFix IMMO delivers reliable key programming and full system diagnostics. It's built for professionals and offers excellent ease of use with its Android OS. Compared to its competitors like the Autel IM508 and Launch X431 IMMO+, this tool provides broader system compatibility and a more intuitive interface. The large screen and fast operation make it ideal for extensive vehicle diagnostics. Pros: comprehensive diagnostic support, easy key programming, Bluetooth Wi-Fi connectivity, free 2-year software updates. Cons: higher price, bulkier than alternatives. Conclusion: the OTOFIX IMMO is an excellent choice for automotive professionals needing a robust tool for key programming and diagnostics. Its advanced features justify the investment. Highly recommended. Product number 2. The ANCEL DP500 is a versatile OBD2 scanner and key programmer that supports mileage correction, instrument cluster calibration, and key programming. It offers full OBD2 functionality and comes with 11 special reset functions, including oil CVT reset, DPF regeneration, ABS bleeding, and injector coating. This tool also supports adding or erasing keys, making it ideal for key programming and immobilizer functions. It includes 1 year of free updates via Wi-Fi and is CE certified. Product review. The ANCEL DP500 stands out for its combination of key programming, cluster calibration, and full OBD2 diagnostic features. This makes it an all-in-one solution for car professionals. The tool is user-friendly, with a clear interface and reliable performance for key programming and reset functions. While it competes with other models, its cluster calibration and key functions make it unique. The free 1-year update via Wi-Fi is a bonus. Pros: full OBD2 functionality with 11 reset options, key programming and immobilizer support, easy mileage correction and cluster calibration, 1 year of free updates via Wi-Fi. Cons: limited to 1 year free updates. Advanced features may require technical expertise. Conclusion: the ANCEL DP500 is a powerful tool for professionals handling key programming, OBD2 diagnostics, and cluster calibration. It's highly recommended for its versatility and comprehensive features. Product number 3. The Autel MaxiIM KM100 is an advanced key fob programming and immobilizer tool compatible with 99% of vehicles. Operating on Android 9.0, it features Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity for ease of use. The device includes a 5.5-inch screen with a resolution of 1280 by 720, 2 GB RAM, and 64 GB of onboard memory, ensuring efficient performance. An 8-megapixel camera and free online updates keep it current with the latest software. Product review. The KM100 excels in rapid key generation, allowing users to create keys in about 60 seconds. Its broad compatibility across various vehicles makes it a valuable asset for automotive technicians. The high-resolution display enhances usability, and the inclusion of the V200 VCI supports a range of functions, from key learning to immobilizer tasks. Pros: fast key generation, 60 seconds, compatible with 99% of cars, user-friendly interface with a clear display, free online updates. Cons: smaller screen for detailed tasks, primarily designed for professionals. Conclusion: the Autel MaxiIM KM100 is a reliable and efficient tool for key programming and immobilizer functions. It's highly recommended for automotive professionals seeking advanced capabilities and ease of use. Product number 4. The Xtool Inplus IP616 is a versatile OBD2 diagnostic tool designed for automotive professionals and enthusiasts. Made from durable metal and plastic, it weighs 3 kilograms and features a user-friendly 7-inch screen with a resolution of 1280 by 720. Operating on Android 10, this scanner includes Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, ensuring seamless data transmission. It supports OE-level full system diagnostics and is compatible with various brands, including Benz, BMW, VW, and Toyota. Product review: the Inplus IP616 excels with its comprehensive features, including key programming in over 31 reset services such as ABS bleeding, TPMS reset, and injector coding. It supports the CAN-FD protocol and offers multi-language support in over 14 languages, catering to a diverse user base. The 2500 mAh battery provides ample power for extended use, while remote technical support enhances usability for troubleshooting and guidance. Pros: comprehensive vehicle coverage, user-friendly interface with live data graphing, multi-language support. Cons: slightly heavy for handheld use, limited to certain vehicle models for advanced features. Conclusion: overall, the Xtool Inplus IP616 is a reliable and feature-rich diagnostic tool, suitable for both DIY mechanics and professionals. Its extensive functionality and robust design make it a valuable addition to any garage. Product number 5. The MuCar V06 is a compact and powerful OBD2 diagnostic tool designed for automotive professionals and enthusiasts. Weighing only 0.1 kilograms and measuring 3 inches in height, 2.2 centimeters in width, and 7 inches in length, it's both lightweight and portable, making it easy to handle during diagnostics. Crafted from durable ABS and metal materials, this tool is built to last. Equipped with Bluetooth connectivity, the V06 allows for easy data transfer and remote operation. It features a software version of 2023 and supports OE-level auto full systems diagnostics, ensuring comprehensive coverage across various vehicle brands. The tool can automatically read the vehicle's VIN and supports 28+ reset functions, including oil reset, EPB, ABS, and throttle relearn, making it versatile for different service needs. Pros: lightweight and portable design, extensive diagnostic capabilities with active test features, user-friendly interface with report sharing options. Cons: limited display size for complex data reading, requires stable Bluetooth connection for optimal performance. Conclusion: the MuCar V06 is an excellent diagnostic tool for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals, offering reliability and versatility. It is highly recommended for anyone needing efficient vehicle diagnostics. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.